Discovered a brush file from vintage Xerox Doodle software? This stores brush bitmap images from the early Xerox graphics application. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open these Xerox Doodle brush bitmap image files. Near the end, we'll discuss the essential features of a professional-grade brush file inspection tool that supports hundreds of other formats as well. Brush files are bitmap image files used by Xerox Doodle, a vintage graphics application from Xerox PARC. They store custom brush patterns and bitmap images used within the Doodle drawing environment, representing an early example of bitmap-based graphic design tools from the foundational era of personal computing. Brush bitmap files use a Xerox-defined format, storing monochrome or limited color bitmap data, optimized for the Doodle application's brush and pattern tools. The format includes header metadata describing dimensions and pattern repeat properties, followed by encoded pixel data for the brush pattern or image content. Most installations default to associating unknown software from unknown developer with brush. Proper management of the file's internal compression logic requires a dedicated utility. Windows can render many raster types, but serious adjustments rely on professional graphics programs. To force file access, right-click your brush file and select Open With. If unknown software is an option, test it. If it's not available, choose another program. We are trying to find the specific compatibility bridge. If the brush file won't open, don't panic. Before the final solution, let's grasp the mechanics of the error. Here are the technical reasons this brush format is causing you grief. First, opening in vintage Xerox software. Run Xerox Doodle within a vintage computing emulator that supports the original Xerox PARC environment, such as Smalltalk 80 or Interlisp emulators. Mount media containing the brush file in the emulated environment and open within Doodle to view brushes in their original application context. Next, trying image viewers. Test the brush file with XenView MP IrfanView or Graphic Converter, which support extensive vintage image format ranges. While direct support is unlikely, some viewers handle obscure formats. Renaming a copy to .bmp or .pbeam and attempting to open may work for simple bitmap structures. Finally, hex inspection for recovery. Open the brush file in HXD hex editor to examine the bitmap structure. Identify dimensions and pixel data layout to potentially write a custom converter to modern formats like PNG. Vintage computing enthusiasts and historians often share format documentation that helps with conversion efforts. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. Takeaway: the inability of Windows and 7-zip to open the file suggests a unique format signature. FileMagick is the comprehensive solution built to handle these exceptions. Find it at FileMagick. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.